Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is TWG7, also known as Kat, and I am here today for my first ever unboxing of a subscription service. Now, this will not be my last one, but it will be the first one ever of my FabFitFun box. I have never received one before, and that's why I figured it was the perfect one to start with. I have not opened it. It's right here. I'm dying to see what's in it because I have a condition that I forget things, and even though they do allow you to pick 2 items that go inside this box, I don't remember what I picked. So it's going to be a surprise for all of us. Now, what is FabFitFun? We know it's a subscription service. It comes out quarterly, and inside this box there are at least $200 worth of products that you pay $50 for 4 times a year. If you're looking around my channel, which I don't mind, check it out. Please feel free. I would love to have more subscribers and have people checking out what brings me joy. And what brings me joy is singing and sharing it. Let's open the box, because that's what we're here for, right? Ready?
FabFitFun.
Held it upside down. Oh, crap. You can try that again. Ready? FabFitFun. It is an editor's box.
Dun, dun, dun. Put it aside so I don't block me.
Lots of stuff in here. Firstly, there is a magazine.
FabFitFun, Words of Wisdom from Reading Women. Get to sleep on your membership. 2017 to 2018 editor's box. I'm guessing it shows you about the products also inside it.
Could be wrong. Find out later. Then there's a cute little note from them that says, we're bringing you the best of the box. That's why we're especially excited to introduce the editor's box. Oh, this tells you what the editor's box is. Cool. That's why we're especially excited to introduce editor's box. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products most beloved by our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope you love it as much as we do. Yeah, me too. Ooh, I don't want to see. It gives you an idea of what's in the box. I don't want to see yet. Okay, so that's really cool, I think, that it's got the top of the top and, things that everybody loves, which is, I like that. And then there is, ooh, what is this? Share the love of FabFitFun. You get $10 off your first box, valued at over $200. So you get 70 to 80% off of full-size premium products every season also. I know that there's a section that you can purchase items before your box ships and add stuff to it, and they do give you discounted rates. And some of them looked really cool. I just don't have any more money right now. So let's see what we got.
Where's the fun part? Where's the fun part? Where do I start?
I think I'll start here just because it's so big and pretty and it's got my eye because I love pink. Sponge Gel Bulgarian Rose Beyond Cleansing. It's a body wash infused buffer. So I guess the soap is inside of the buffer. That's pretty cool. Matter of fact, I need a new spongy thing. So, and it says it can be used multiple times. So that's cool. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's a little squishy. It looks like a flower. I could, use that. All right. It does smell good. I gotta say, it smells really good. Okay. Next thing. This is African Botanics South Africa Revitalizing Therapy Gel. So it is a gel for what? Invigorating sensation, intense revitalization, effect to help soothe aching joints, sprains, and muscles. Oh. This is one of the items I picked. And I chose this because my husband has issues with his side and the muscles in them. And this is a gel that you rub onto sore muscles. And it helps to soothe them and make them feel better. Crossing fingers, this works because he really needs it. Okay, next item. What is this? I don't know. It doesn't say on the outside of the box. Oh, this is one of those fun ones because I also have hand spasms, and this one does not look easy to open. Got it. You push from the top to the bottom. This is Makeup Drop. Don't waste a drop. Silicone makeup applicator. So apply a small amount of makeup directly to the makeup drop. Using soft dabbing motions, blend makeup into skin. Oh, I have never had one of these. And to be quite honest, I am new to makeup. That's really cool. That's really cool. I didn't used to wear makeup all the time. For I guess about a year I did, but I was very basic on it. I worked as a cocktail waitress at the Claridge a very long time ago. And when I did that, I was required to wear makeup. As a matter of fact, they sent me home. I got in trouble because I wasn't wearing makeup. So I went home and I put on eyeliner, mascara, blush, and lipstick. That is it, nothing else. No foundation, no nothing. That's how little makeup I wore. And then I started doing my Project 365 and I decided I'm not a kid anymore and I really wanted to look nice when I'm doing it. So I started to learn about makeup. I went online, I checked things out. Next item, what else do we have in here? We have Wish High Performance Natural Beauty Rose Hip and Lotus Nourishing Dew Mask Intense Treatment Visibly Improved Hydration. Finally, the Fountain of Youth. Oh, they put the Fountain of Youth in this box. Did you know that? This box right here has the Fountain of Youth in it. And I am so excited because I'm in Florida and I thought it was here, but I guess it's in this box. This intensely moisturizing mask will change your skin from drab to fab. In just one use only, I will have fab skin. So let's see what happens next time you see me, okay? Let me know in the comments below on the next video that I post. So, next item. All right, this is Summer and Rose, and this is another item I know I picked now that I see it. There's even more in here. Oh, wow. This goes down a little bit. We just have a few more items to go, but this is pretty cool, right? Okay, let's see. Right? I like when things get exciting. Uh-oh, now we're in trouble because I dropped it. And because Bonnie is here, which means she's going to step on the keyboard. She just can't help it. She has to. She's going to come and say hi. She's the baby of the family. All of my pets are spoiled rotten. I'm going to give you forewarning. You will hear my dogs bark occasionally in my videos. And my cats will show up behind me because they're cats and they're going to do what they're going to do. So, and Bonnie has this thing. Okay. Quick story. If you go and you watch Hallelujah, during that song, Bonnie loves when I sing, and she loves to rub on me and give me kisses, and she also loves to bite me a little bit. But she wants to be as close as possible to me. And I was standing, not sitting. So she jumped up, used her claws, climbed up my leg to my bum, and hung off of it with her claws. Yeah, well, I was a trooper. I kept singing through it. True story. Okay, I got the earrings all fixed. They're pretty cool. I like them. Now I'll have to only be able to wear them though when my hair is up because obviously I've got too much hair to be able to find these. You see that? Right? Nice. I have too much hair. They'll get lost in there. But if I wear it with my hair up, then they can be.
Here we go. Hair's up, and you can see my ears, but I won't wear my hair like that. That's the, oh, what is that clown's name? You know what I'm talking about, right?
With the blue hair, the clown? Mm-hmm. That's who I think I just look like.
Real Hair Playbook Shadow Palette. It's heavy. I like that. Heavy. I don't mean the packaging is really heavy, but it's cool.
Real Her donates a part of profits to nonprofit organizations that advance equity for women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research. which is super cool because if you're going to buy something, you may as well be helping a charitable organization in the process, right? Let these quotes act. Ooh, wow. Okay. These are freaking beautiful. They're called driven, limitless, invincible, bodacious, dazzling, indomitable, awesome, terrific, and unshakable. Let me know if you notice me being any of these adjectives, because that sounds pretty cool to me. Do you see yourself in the mirror? The mirror is really nice too. Isn't that a nice set? That's a really nice shadow palette. I like that a lot. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Thank you, FabFitFun. Okay, now. All right, next item is Muscle Soak Himalayan Salt. Oh, this sounds nice. Bath salts. I can't see, it's too tiny, so I'm going to take these off a second. Bathe for optimal use. Add a quarter to the bath salt bottle to a warm water bath. This sounds amazing. I do know that when I'm really not feeling well, and it happens pretty often, I have severe fibromyalgia, is what it is, you know. But when I'm really not feeling well, I take an Epsom salt bath, and it helps a lot, at least while I'm in the tub. When I get out, not so much, but while I'm in the tub, it saved my life a couple of times, almost literally, because the pain was so bad. So I'm looking forward to seeing the item left. This is a poncho, a black one size BB Dakota poncho. Because I thought, you know, it gets a little chilly sometimes here. It got cold a few times here, but it gets a little chilly. And this will be really nice to throw on, be comfortable still, soft, which is very important. When you've got severe fibromyalgia, every single thing that touches my skin must be soft. It is, if it is not, it will not only hurt, but make it worse. And I will pay for it. Maybe not today, but tomorrow. So this makes me happy. Oh my God, it's really super soft. I love that. All right, let's see if I can get this on with the headphones on. Ha ha. How big it is. It's gorgeous. Oh, I see. It's one of those that you sort of, okay, I got it. Got it. Ready? Oh, ow. My poncho is now on my body. That's nice. I like that. I think I like that better than the red with this shirt, too. Check that out, huh? So there you go. My FabFitFun box. Over $200 worth of products in this box. This is a lot of items for $50. And I know the next one is getting ready to ship next month. I'm a little excited. I am so happy with my FabFitFun box. Thank you, FabFitFun, and thank you all for joining me to watch me unbox it. And I hope that you enjoyed it and got some information from me. If you are enjoying the videos, either this one or the music, please subscribe. I would love to have you join me, and that way you don't miss one. You'll get alerted when they come out. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so very much for joining me. Bye for now.